There you go. All right, here we are again, recording, recording another episode of our Japan
Welcome back, guys.
podcast.
This is Rosa. Oh, yep. This is Rosa Aquino.
This is Kiyoshi as usual. Welcome back. How are you,
Welcome back,
Rosa?
guys. I'm pretty good. It's been pretty rainy the past few days. The weather is really weird. Cause it should be like it should be rainy because it's Tsuyu season. It's the typhoon season, but it's also very cold again. So I'm like wearing my
Is it
winter
cold?
jackets again.
I heard it
Yeah.
was raining recently.
Yeah, it's been raining for the past few days, actually.
Hello?
Hello? Uh, can you hear me?
Hello? Are you there?
Yeah.
Now I can.
Oh,
You
okay.
cut
Let me
out,
just repeat
so I
it.
can't. This might be
Yeah,
hard to do.
this will be fun.
Okay.
I'll just repeat it. Yeah, so it's been raining the past few days, and
Well,
temperatures
this might
have
suck.
dropped. It should be. It should be raining. I
So,
mean, it should be
uh,
raining, but it just should be a little warmer.
when? Oh well, it's coming up on a rainy season, right? So it's very tends
Yeah.
to be more humid, more warm. Well, that's an understatement. Really warm, really hot during
Actually,
the rainy season.
well, okay, so actually, Tokyo doesn't really feel that hot during the rainy season. Like, Kyoto is really hot. Nagoya is actually pretty hot and humid too. Like, I recently went there the other day, but Tokyo is comparably cool. It's it's the time after the rainy season is over that you have to watch out for.
Oh,
Is it like
but
really
yeah,
lagging?
Kyoto is in a valley, in it. Like that
Yeah.
whole area is sort of like in a valley, so it tends to be hotter than the the east side is what I've been told. I haven't spent a lot of time in the summer in Kansai, so I can't really say, but yeah,
Yeah,
just
I
be thankful
definitely
you're
I
on the
don't
east side.
recommend it. I do not recommend um Kyoto in the summer. It's a death trap. It's really hot.
I hate humidity, but I tend to used to always go to Japan specifically in the summertime, so it
Oh,
was hell for me. I would just spend like 3 months
yeah.
all in the summer in Tokyo,
Oh, that sucks. That
but I'm
sucks.
not fond of the cold either, so it was either or. But I always chose summertime, and I would always suffer for it. That's on me, I guess.
Well, like the rainy season, I've come to feel that in the past few years that the rainy season is actually your friend. Cuz if it's raining,
My
you can
friend,
get through.
cause why?
Yes, cuz you can get through the heat. Oh, it's hella lagging, huh? Hello?
Hello,
Can you hear me?
I heard that.
This is wait, did it not go through at
Hello.
all?
So I'm thinking I'm relatively sure it's recording, but I can't hear everything you're saying. So it's gonna be hard to sort of like bounce off of what you say.
Okay, I think it's also really lagging a lot.
But the things you're speaking, I'm pretty sure it's recording.
Okay.
It's
So
choppy when it comes back to me.
I might just
Yeah, that might
repeat.
be a thing too.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, so the rainy season's your friend because if it's raining, you can get through the heat. Like it kind of sucks, but it's not unbearably hot, you know? Uh uh どうしよ
I heard none of that.
う。No.
I heard the rainy season is your friend because, and then nothing.
That's the important part. Oh, どうしよ
Hmm.
Can you hear me talking now?
Okay. If you spoke through line, would it still be choppy?
We can try.
Like I could listen through line and then speak back on this. You know what I mean? Or
Okay,
answer to
let's do
this.
that.
But I can hear you through line.
One sec.
Like
Let me
let's try
get
it. Let's try
my
it.
Yeah, hold on.
Okay. Would it mess up? Like would it use too much data if you used this and then also spoke through line? Or do you have a landline?
Okay.
There, cat. Hello. Kinda. If you're telling me you're leaving. Hello. 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 Oh, you left. Oh, you can't do both at the same time. Huh? Oh. Oh, because you answered him.